Hello my cutie pies. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and listening to your parents. Today we are going to start our class with a rhyme. Rhyme name is Down in the Jungle. What is the rhyme name? Rhyme name is Down in the Jungle. In jungle there are three animals. They are doing something. Okay, I will show you who are there. Who is this? Baby elephant. Then baby lion. Then who is this? Yes, little monkey. So, what they are doing in the jungle? Children, are you ready? Let's start. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there is a baby elephant washing his clothes with a rubber here and a rubber there. This is the way he washing his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there is a baby lion washing his clothes with a rubber here and a rubber there. This is the way he washing his clothes. Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there is a little monkey. She washing her clothes with a rubber here and a rubber there. This is the way she washing her clothes. Children, how was the rhyme? Did you like it? Okay, practice this rhyme. Okay, children? Now, we are going to learn weather and seasons. Children, do you know about weather? Okay, the weather tells us how the day is. Okay, whether it is cold or hot. Yes, some days are very cold, some days are very hot. Yes, so weather keeps changing every day. Okay, sometimes it may be windy, it may be cloudy, it may be sunny. Okay, children, and the weather that remains same for long time, that is called seasons. Okay, the weather that remains same for long time, that is called seasons. Okay, children, we have 4 seasons. First one is rainy. Second one is summer. Third one is winter. And fourth one is spring. Okay? How many seasons we have, children? Yes, 4 seasons. Rainy, summer, winter and spring. These are 4 seasons. Okay? So children, first one is summer season. Okay? In summer, days are very hot. In summer season, we feel very hot. And the days are longer and nights are shorter. In summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Okay, children? We wear light colored cotton clothes. Okay? These light colored cotton clothes keep ourselves cool. We are using fan, cooler, air conditioner to keep ourselves cool. So children, what we eat in summer? Yes, we eat so many fruits like watermelon, mangoes. Yes? And we like to drink juice like orange juice, mango juice, Mossambi juice. Yes? And we likes to eat ice cream also. Yes. And children, one more thing, we should drink plenty of water in summer season. It will help us. It will protect us. Okay. We should drink plenty of water. Okay. So, which season it is? Yes, this is summer season. Next is rainy season. Another name is monsoon season. In rainy season, what happens, children? In rainy season? Yes, sky become dark. Yes, cloudy. Sometimes lightning and thunder also there. Then what happen after that? Yes, then it appears rain, right? Sometimes what we see in the sky? Yes, we see in the sky rainbow. Yes? How many colors are there in rainbow, children? Very good. There are 7 colors. After rain, sometimes we see rainbow in the sky. What we should use in the rainy season? Yes, when we are going out in rainy season, we should carry an umbrella. Yes, and we should wear raincoat. Yes, and we should also use boots. These things help us to keep dry. Okay, children, and we should drink clean and hot water. Okay, it protects us from diseases. Okay, children, and what we likes to eat? We likes to eat hot things in rainy season, like pakoras, corn, yes, and tea, coffee. Yes, we likes to eat hot things in rainy season. So children, which season it is? Yes, rainy season, or we can say monsoon. So children, the third one is winter season. Yes, in winter season we feel very cold. Yes, in winter season we feel very cold. We sit under the sun to keep our body warm. Yes, and in winter season the days are shorter and nights are longer. Yes, children, in winter season what we should wear? Yes, we wear woolen clothes, right? Like jacket, sweater, gloves, shoes, socks, cap. Yes, we should wear woolen clothes. Which clothes? Yes, woolen clothes. To keep ourselves warm, some people are using heater, fire, and we are sitting under the sun. What we eat? Yes, we eat fruits like pomegranate, orange, yes, and lots of vegetable also. Okay, like cabbage, pumpkin. Children, we should eat lots of fruits and vegetable. Okay, so which season it is? Yes, this is winter season. So children, last one is spring season. Spring season arrives after winter and before summer. In spring season, weather is very pleasant. Okay, all are enjoying the weather nicely. We wear like half jacket, t-shirt, jeans, shoes. Yes, in this season the weather is neither hot nor cold. Okay, this weather is very pleasant. And what we eat? We eat strawberries, vegetable salad, pakodi. Yes? Which season it is? This season is spring season. In this season, weather is very pleasant. So children, what are the 4 seasons? Yes, rainy, summer, winter and spring. Yes, these are 4 seasons. Now, let's learn the spelling of these 4 seasons. Take out your 4-line notebooks fast. Children, are you ready with your notebook and pencil? Yes? Then let's start. First word is summer. What is the spelling of summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S U M again M E R. Okay, summer. Next, rainy. What is the spelling of rainy? R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. How to write R? Yes, from red line to blue line. Standing line. Then small curve. Then slanting line. R. Next is A. Then I. Then N. Then last letter is Y. Okay? Rainy. Now, next season is winter. What is the spelling of winter? W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. In winter season, how we feel? Yes, we feel cold. Yes? Now, last season is spring. What is the spelling of spring? S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. S-P-R-I-N. Then last letter is G. Spring. Summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. In summer season, we feel hot. Yes? Next is rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. Next is winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. In winter season we feel cold. Last one is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. In spring season weather is pleasant. It's neither cold or not hot. Yes. So children, these are our 4 seasons. Okay. Practice this in your notebook. Now children, let's move on to the next topic. Children, tell me, where do you see the moon? Yes, we see the moon in the sky at night time. Yes? Yes, moon give us light. Yes, moon give us light at night time. But children, do you know moon has different shapes, right? Sometimes we can see moon in round big ball size, right? And sometimes we can see half moon. Many other shapes moon have. See children, in your book there are 4 phases. Okay? In your book there are 4 phases. First is crescent. Second is half moon. Third is gibbous. And fourth is full moon. Okay? First is crescent. Yes? Sometimes we can see moon like this. Yes? This is crescent shape. And this is half moon. We see half moon in the sky. Sometimes moon is visible like this. Yes? This is half moon. Yes? And this is gibbous. It's a half moon, but day by day it's growing. It's gibbous. And last one is full moon. Yes? Full moon. It visible like a big round ball. Yes? This is called full moon. Okay children? So, how many phases are there? Yes, there are 4 phases. One is crescent. Second is half moon. Then gibbous. Then last one is full moon. These are the 4 phases of moon. Okay children? Tell me what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned seasons, weather and phases of moon. How many seasons are there? Yes, there are 4 seasons. Summer, rainy, winter and spring. Yes? And how many phases of moon? Yes, that is also 4. Crescent, half moon, gibbous and full moon. Yes? So children, hope you liked today's class. Yes? So practice writing, okay, and stay safe. Bye for now. Bye bye.